The idea of a merger between two giants of the automotive industry, Toyota and Peugeot, may seem surprising at first and raises many questions. These two brands, each with its distinct characteristics and legacy, dominate the global automotive market. Toyota, the undisputed market leader, is known for its innovations in hybrid cars and efficient mass production, and is teaming up here with Peugeot, one of the oldest European manufacturers, renowned for its elegant design, comfort, and technical innovations. But would such an alliance be a good thing, or would it be a monumental strategic mistake? Let's explore the different aspects of this potential merger. Before evaluating whether a merger would be beneficial or not, it's essential to understand the strengths of each company. Toyota, a global leader in the automotive industry, is primarily recognized for its reliability, production efficiency through the lean production method, and advancements in hybrid technology. In 2020, Toyota dominated global sales rankings with popular models like the Corolla and the RAV4, also due to its investments in electric and hybrid vehicle technologies. The Japanese brand has managed to innovate while remaining true to its sustainability principles, allowing it to be a major player in the environmentally friendly car sector. On the other hand, Peugeot, a pillar of the European market, offers a different approach. The company has evolved significantly in recent years, diversifying its models and redefining its image with more modern, aesthetic, and high-performing cars. Peugeot has also been a pioneer in diesel technology and is developing electric technologies with models like the 208 and the 3008. Its strong dealer network and solid European foothold allow it to remain competitive despite increasing pressure from foreign manufacturers. These two brands have complementary strengths that could theoretically make a merger interesting. Toyota has expertise in supply chain management, the ability to produce vehicles in large quantities globally, while Peugeot excels in design innovation, European expertise, and understanding local markets. A merger would offer the possibility to combine their strengths to create an even more robust and innovative automotive manufacturer. One of the great strengths of a merger lies in the sharing of technologies. Toyota is a leader in hybrid engine production, while Peugeot has invested heavily in diesel technology and internal combustion engine research. By combining these strengths, the new entity could produce a wider range of vehicles from compact economy cars to luxury SUVs, integrating cutting-edge technologies in engines, safety, and infotainment systems. Such a merger would allow both companies to pool their resources to better compete against new market giants. The automotive sector is undergoing a major transformation with the rise of new players like Tesla and Chinese companies such as BYD, which are rapidly advancing in the electric vehicle field. Toyota and Peugeot, two well-established giants, could strengthen their position by combining their efforts in electric and hybrid vehicles. Such a merger would also enable both companies to pool their resources to better compete against these new giants in the market. One reason mergers succeed in the automotive industry is the ability to achieve economies of scale. By joining forces in production, Toyota and Peugeot could reduce costs related to manufacturing, logistics, and research. Both companies already share practices, such as developing common engines for certain model ranges, and this synergy could be further maximized with an integrated structure. Toyota and Peugeot could also benefit from optimized distribution costs by pooling their dealer network and after-sales service globally. Asia and Europe are two major automotive markets. Toyota, already well established in Asia, could take advantage of Peugeot's European network to expand further into this market, which is more complex and fragmented than the Asian market. Similarly, Peugeot could benefit from Toyota's global expertise to expand its presence in regions like North America and Asia. A merger between the two companies would also allow them to better respond to the challenges of the global market by offering a range of vehicles suited to a diverse clientele, while combining their respective know-how. However, such a merger would not be without challenges. One of the major risks lies in the loss of identity and corporate culture. Peugeot and Toyota have very different histories and corporate cultures. Toyota is a Japanese company that places a particular emphasis on the lean production method, while Peugeot has a more European culture that prioritizes design innovation and performance. Merging the two could lead to cultural clashes and a loss of identity for both brands, which could affect their ability to connect with their loyal customers. Consumers may be reluctant to accept such a radical change, especially if the merger results in the homogenization of models and a lack of personality in production. A merger between two large companies like Toyota and Peugeot would also lead to internal competition within the new entity. For example, Both brands have overlapping car ranges, and managing this competition could be complex. How to prevent Toyota and Peugeot models from cannibalizing each other in the market? Poor management of this internal competition could harm the overall performance of the merged group. Mergers in the automotive industry are rarely straightforward. Combining supply chains, manufacturing structures, management teams, and sales strategies takes time and involves risks. Toyota and Peugeot have different approaches to management and organization, and the integration process could be fraught with difficulties. This kind of merger, involving different cultures and distinct production processes, requires careful management and compromises on several fronts. Shareholders of both companies might react negatively to the idea of the merger. Toyota, as the global leader, could find itself having to make adjustments to its strategy, which could affect its profit margins in the short term. On the other hand, Peugeot might struggle to convince its shareholders that this merger is in their long-term interest. Stock fluctuations and rumors could create instability, potentially harming the reputation of both companies. In conclusion, the idea of a merger between Toyota and Peugeot offers clear advantages, especially in terms of technological synergy, economies of scale, and geographic expansion. However, there are also significant risks, with challenges related to corporate culture, integration of manufacturing processes, and managing internal competition. For this merger to succeed, it would need to be carried out with a clear vision and strategic management of all integration aspects. Both companies would need to strive to preserve their distinct identities while leveraging each other's strengths. It's not a done deal, but if executed well, such a merger could transform the global automotive landscape and allow Toyota and Peugeot to remain competitive in the face of the challenges of tomorrow's automotive industry. So, is it a huge mistake? Perhaps not, but it's certainly a risky bet that requires courageous decisions and precise implementation to avoid the anticipated benefits turning into a strategic burden. The months to come will reveal whether this merger is a mistake or a strategic opportunity. For two of the biggest names in the automotive industry,